Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to upgrade your laptop's performance, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung RAM memory 4GB 8GB DDR3 1333MHz 1600MHz PC3L 204-pin SODIMM for laptops. This RAM is the perfect way to breathe new life into your laptop, giving it the boost it needs to handle all of your daily tasks with ease. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, having a reliable and efficient laptop is essential. And with this Samsung RAM, you can enhance your laptop's speed and multitasking capabilities. With a range of options available, including 4GB and 8GB capacities, DDR3 1333MHz and 1600MHz speeds, and PC3L low voltage technology, you can find the perfect fit for your specific laptop model. Plus, the quality and reliability of Samsung's products are second to none, so you can trust that you're getting a top-notch upgrade for your device. But that's not all. This RAM is also easy to install, so you can have your laptop running at its best in no time. And with the special requirements and compatibility details provided, you can feel confident in making the right choice for your device. So why wait? Upgrade your laptop's performance today with the Samsung RAM memory 4GB 8GB DDR3 1333MHz 1600MHz PC3L 204-pin SODIMM for laptops. Check out the link in the description to get yours now and experience the difference for yourself. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your laptop to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Thank you for watching.